Hi everyone, this clip I will play with elephant in Thailand. La 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 la, go to Thailand, play with elephant. Let's go. I'm here, Thailand. Hey everyone, look at me. Yes, I wear Thai folk costume. What do you think? You can answer me under this clip. Let's go to play with elephant. Hey guys, the elephant. Go to elephant. Let's go. Kiss me. So cute. And go to see my Thai folk costume tutorial with K. Let's get started. Yes, finished. My costume is beautiful. Are you agreeing with me? Hey guys, wait me please. See you naked.